This is Busia County, where fields once lay quiet and dreams waited patiently. A transformation is rising, a beacon of hope, innovation, and unstoppable momentum. This land, 800 acres strong, has witnessed decades of immeasurable potential. But today, that story changes. Welcome to the Nasewa Export Processing Zone, EPZ, a monumental development now 50% complete and racing toward full operation by October this year. But this isn't a dream without precedent. Across the globe, export processing zones have rewritten destinies. In Bangladesh, the EPZ has created over 500,000 jobs and turned the country into a global leader in garment exports. Ethiopia's Hawassa Industrial Park employed thousands, uplifted communities, and brought in over $100 million in annual textile exports. In Mauritius, EPZs helped shift the island from a sugar-dependent economy to one driven by industry and innovation. Nasewa can do the same for Busia, for Kenya. Led by the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry under the stewardship of P.S. Abubakar Hassan, the vision is clear: to create a hub that not only transforms Busia, but powers Kenya's regional economic rise. In its first phase, the EPZ will host industries in textile manufacturing, edible oil refining, and cassava processing, sectors chosen to unlock local agricultural power and generate employment for over 5,000 people. Now close your eyes and imagine. It's the year 2030. Children are walking to school on new roads built for the industries. Youth are clocking in for jobs they once only dreamed of. Technicians, engineers, designers. Cassava farmers are no longer struggling, they're suppliers. Cotton farmers are no longer waiting, they're thriving. This is more than employment. It's education, as technical colleges rise to meet industry needs. It's infrastructure, roads, power, water, spreading to communities once neglected. It's a Busia that is no longer a border town, but a borderless trade giant, linking Uganda, South Sudan, Congo, and Rwanda. Governor Dr. Paul Otuoma sees the EPZ as more than a facility. It's a gateway, a vital trade link between Kenya and her neighbors, turning Busia into a central economic corridor that connects East and Central Africa. And the impact? It starts right here, with the people. Cotton and edible oil crop farming are being revitalized to feed the industries, while young people prepare to step into new roles: technicians, engineers, entrepreneurs. With champions like Funyula MP, Dr. Ondo Mudenyo in the National Assembly Trade and Investment Committee, transparency and accountability remain at the forefront, ensuring every shilling spent builds a better tomorrow. But this future, it's fragile. Corruption can kill it before it blooms. Mismanagement can derail a generation's dream. To those entrusted with this mission, remember, every misstep is a lost job, a delayed school, a forgotten road. Be guardians of this vision, not just for today, but for decades to come. From promise to progress, from plans to prosperity, the Nasewa EPZ is more than a project. It is the heartbeat of a new Busia, a symbol of Kenya's industrial awakening. A better future is being built, brick by brick, hand in hand. Nasewa EPZ. The future is here, and it begins with Busia.